Welcome to the ProKitchen new 3D Pulls collection demo. We're going to take a quick look at the new selection of pulls that we offer in the 3D views. So we're going to generate a 3D view here for starters. Okay, so now that our 3D is generated, we're going to go up to our cabinet icon and click on that, and here brings up our global specs, of course, that we've already set in our design. So we've got my global specs here, and we've got knobs. We want to please click to select. Here we start off with pulls. We run down here, you can see we've got 29 different pulls in there, and then it starts into the knobs. So we'll just pick one, and it generates an image as we go. So we'll find one that we want to use to accentuate our cabinets. And might as well take a look at them all as we go through here. Some nice pulls available. I think we'll just set that one. And OK. Whoops, I didn't please click to select, did I? There we go. Double click. Let it redraw. OK, now that it's redrawn, we'll click OK. And here we have our new pulls on it, our new pulls. This makes it quick and easy to change it up. Adding the new pulls that we've been asked for many times by many customers. So now you can more accurately generate your 3D images to reflect exactly what the customer has chose. And this has been the ProKitchen 3D Pull Collection video demo. Again, thank you for watching.